Problem number 19, page 473. Says find each product, x plus 7 times x minus 7. Now, if you guys don't see that this is actually the difference of squares and will be equal to x squared minus 7 squared, which is actually x squared minus 49, which should be the answer, you will go with the foiling way. X plus 7 times x minus 7 equals FOIL, first, outer, inner, last terms, right? First two terms, x times x, will be what? X squared. First and the last are part of the outer term. X times negative 7, negative 7x. Inner term, 7 times x plus 7x. And the last two terms, 7 times negative 7, negative 7 squared. Combine like terms, simplify. Both of you will have a detention. Let me finish here. X squared, that's 0, minus 49. And we are done. Questions? 5. 45, page 474, will be on your homework tonight. Solve by factoring. 45 gives you a trinomial, x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals 0. Now at this point, the way we solve quadratic equations is by factoring the trinomials, right? We're looking for possibilities of factorization for this x squared plus 2x minus 5. And I should have two binomials, right? Can any one of you tell me what will be the first term in each one of the two factors here? Sharon? X, absolutely. Now, I need to find the last term in each one. I'm looking at my last term in the initial trinomial is negative 15. The fact that I have a negative number over there tells me that I will that my last numbers in both polynomials will have what kind of signs? Same sign or different sign? Different sign. One will be plus, one will be minus. Great. Now, I also know, looking at the midterm here, that their sum is 2. So their product would be negative 15, their sum is 2. You're looking for two numbers, a and b, where a times b equals negative 15, and a plus b equals what? 2. Possible numbers. A and b are factors of negative 15, right? Give me factors of negative 15. Negative 3 and 5, right? And this seems to be the answer because negative 3 plus 5 gives you 2. So I got x plus 5 times x minus 3 equals 0. Giovanni, go. Alright, now we have to solve this one. I have to find the values of my x for which this product will be 0. And by the zero product properties, if the product of two factors is 0, each one of these two factors has to be 0 or could be 0, either one of them or both, right? So I need the first one 0, I need the second one to be 0. My first equation, x plus 5 equals 0. If you solve it, you'll find that your x, which is your first root, first solution here, will be what? Negative 5, right? Because you're subtracting 5 from both sides. Second equation, x minus 3 equals 0, which gives me the second root, or the second solution, x equals 3. And we are done. We solved this quadratic equation by factoring. Our two roots are negative 5 and 3. Questions? Are you happier? Number 41. Same page, 474. Number 41. Factor each trinomial. If they cannot be factored, write not factorable or prime. 41, r squared. Stay with us. Plus r minus 56. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Hunter, do you think that we really care if you're going to ski tomorrow? To snowboard tomorrow? We may care, but just a little bit. Okay. No. Makes you feel better? Okay, good. Boys and girls, let's get back here. I will have two binomials. What will be the first term of each binomial, knowing that their product, absolutely, their product is r squared, will be r and r. Okay, now I'm checking the last number is negative 56. Can you give me two factors of 56? Can you give me two factors of 56? How did you get that? It's on the board. Great. Now, one of them has to be negative, one positive, to get a negative 56 product. However, their sum has to be positive 1. So which one would be negative, 7 or 8? 7. Okay? So I have my binomials, r minus 7 and r plus 8. This is it. Dudes and dudettes, if you want to check that you got it right. Well, I think it's better than call a girl dude. Or duda, you're gonna say dudette, right? So, yeah.